Assalamu alaikum students. I hope every one of you will be fine and safe at your homes. Today we are going to start unit number 10, that is drug addiction. Okay, first of all I will tell you about the important problem which is facing by many countries and all over the world is drug addiction. Okay, so this unit will tell you about the reasons and causes by which a person can be addicted towards drugs, and then what will be the proper treatment of this disease, and the effect or impact of rehabilitation center for drug addiction people. So basically the theme of this unit revolves around the harmful effects of drug addiction. It also refers to the importance of the rehabilitation centers in treating drug addicts. It highlights the vital role that counseling plays in making people live a healthy life. Okay, so let's start with the text. First of all, in this video I will only do the simple English, and in another video I will do the translation of this unit. Okay, so in this I will do only simple English. So let's start reading. Very first paragraph. Drug addiction is a common problem all over the world. There are many forms of drug addiction, but the most dangerous of all is the absolute dependence on it. Okay, addiction means a bad habit. Okay, form, types: dangerous, risky or unsafe; absolute, complete; dependence means to rely on something. So drug addiction is a common problem all over the world today. The drug addiction is a very common issue among all over the world. There are many forms of drug addictions and there are many types of drug addiction, but the most dangerous of all is the complete rely on it. Okay, means dependency on drug has become a familiar crisis of present age all over the world. Okay, the whole world is affected by it. Long-term use of drugs causes permanent mental and physical sickness. So if a person tries to use these drugs for the longer time, it can cause a serious mental and physical diseases or illness. Some kinds of drugs that cause disturbance of mind and body are heroin, marijuana, tobacco, Valium, cocaine and alcohol. Next they are telling you about some famous or most commonly used drugs. Okay, these are the names of different drugs. So some kinds of drugs that cause disturbance of mind and body, which spoils the working of a normal human body and mind, are heroin, marijuana, tobacco, Valium, cocaine and alcohol. So there are different types of drug addiction. Okay, the worst level is the utter dependency on drugs. The use of drugs for a long time causes mental as well as body pain. The use of strong drugs becomes highly threatening, and the constant use of drugs makes its victim its dependent. And there are heroin, marijuana, cocaine, tobacco, Valium and some other drugs that bring about mental as well as physical sickness. Okay, so this was the simple English of paragraph number 1. Now come to the second paragraph. Drug addiction is caused by the environmental factors. Environmental means the surrounding in which you are living. Okay, your surrounding. Factor mean issue or a feature or a condition. Okay, drug addiction can be caused by various surrounding issues. A few important environmental factors that may cause drug addiction are bad peer influence and troubled domestic background. And a few important environmental issues or causes that may cause drug addiction are bad peer influence. Bad peer influence means the effect of a bad friend, okay, or the impact of a bad company. And troubled domestic background means a troubled house background, okay, family issues or some other things. So the mainly causes of drug addictions are, first of all, company of bad friends, and the second issue or the second reason for drug addiction is family problems, okay. When young people remain in bad company and do experiments in the name of adventure, they may fall a prey to addiction. When very young people keep a bad company or have bad friends, they do some kind of adventures or do some unusual things as an experiment, so they may fall a prey to addiction, means they become victim of drug addiction. The people who are dissatisfied and discontented with life may also resort to drug addiction in order to seek an escape from responsibilities of life. And the people who are dissatisfied means displeased or unhappy or frustrated, and discontented means displeased, okay. Dissatisfied and discontent both have the meaning of you can say depressed, frustrated, unhappy, okay. So the people who are not happy with their lives, they also take refuge. Resort means to take refuge in something. They also take refuge to drug addiction so that they can escape, they can get away from the tensions or liabilities or duties of life, okay. Now come to the third paragraph. The most important measures to be taken in this regard is the rehabilitation and the recovery of a drug addict. The most important measure, the most important step or action which should be taken in this matter is the rehabilitation. Rehabilitation means the treatment to become normal again, and recovery of a drug addict, okay. So the most important step which should be taken to treat the drug addict is a rehabilitation center. In many countries including Pakistan, addicts, their families and friends consider it a taboo to share their problem with others. So like all other countries of the world including Pakistan, addicts and their families, okay, the persons who have become the drug addicts and the families and friends think it a taboo. Taboo means forbidden thing, or okay, prohibited or banned. So they find this thing a forbidden thing to share the problem with others, that how they can share the problems with others, because they might think that the people will consider them wrong or it will disrespect them. They feel embarrassed to talk about it for fear of being declared an outcast. They feel embarrassed, they feel uncomfortable, or they feel ashamed of, they feel humiliated to talk about it for the fear of being declared an outcast. And they also have fear that people may banish them, or they may outcast them, or they may boycott them. This not only makes the cure difficult, but in most of the cases the addicts die due to the lack of timely treatment and counseling. So this thing creates a lot of problems in the treatment of drug addicts, and most of the time it happens that many addicts just die because they were not provided with the proper treatment at a proper time, okay, and they were not given a proper guidance, okay. Counseling means guidance, advice or suggestions. Rehabilitation centers are the best places for the recovery process of addicts. Rehabilitation centers means a kind of a clinics where the drug addicts can be treated. So rehabilitation centers are the best places. Rehabilitation centers these clinics are the ideal places for the treatment of drug addicts. Okay, complete medical support and guidance is provided to these people in these centers, and complete medical assistance and guidance is given to the people in these clinics. Drug abusers therefore must be taken to proper and certified rehabilitation centers where proper treatment and cure is available for them. So it is very necessary that people should be taken to the some proper certified rehabilitation centers where good treatment and medication should be given for them so that they can get well soon. However, this requires rapid identification. However, this requires rapid identification. Requires means needs. Rapid, fast identification, detection of the disease, and cooperation means assistance and help. Okay, so it means that with the treatment of these people, the best thing is that there should be a fast and rapid detection of the disease, and some other thing is to be done is proper treatment should be given. Okay, first is the diagnosis of the disease, and the second is the cooperation of the patient with the staff and hospitals. Okay, when these two things will be available, then doctors can be easily treat the drug addict. Okay, which two things are required? First is the rapid detection, means fast diagnosis, and the second one is the cooperation of the patient. Paragraph number 5. The other factor that contributes to the rehabilitation of the drug victim is proper counseling. Okay, the other factor, the other thing that contributes, that play a vital role to the rehabilitation of the drug victim is proper counseling. Counseling means guidance. Okay, so the other thing which is very much important in treatment of the drug addict is a proper guidance. Okay, the sooner it is done, the better it is for the victim, and as soon the guidance and the proper cooperation is provided to the drug addict, the better it is for the person. Okay, the counseling process must continue even after the drug abuser is rehabilitated because of the dangers of a relapse. Relapse means to come again. Okay, reoccurrence of illness or the disease, return of the disease. So it is very much important that when the patient is treated, he should not give up the habit of getting a medical advice. It will prevent his return of the disease again. Doctors, family and friends must continue to critically watch and counsel the victim for better motivation and adjustment. Motivations mean to stimulate someone, inspire someone, or adjustment means reconciliation or modification. So they should be delivered, or they should be given proper advice and guidance through the doctors and family and friends so that they cannot go back towards a drug addiction. And they should deliver good advice to the patient and urge him to adjust himself in better living condition. Paragraph number 6. Drug addiction is really a very serious threat to any society. Okay, drug addiction poses a real danger for every community. In Pakistan alone, there are almost 5 million drug addicts, and if we talk about Pakistan, then in our country about 5 million people have fallen prey to this nasty addiction. Addicts undergo numerous economic, social and health problems. Numerous means in a large number, many you can say. So the persons who are drug addicts, they face a lot of economic, social and health problems. The governments all over the world have been trying to eliminate drug addiction from the society, but still more efforts are needed to completely wipe it out. The government all over the world has been trying to eliminate means to wipe out something, okay, to end something or to remove something. So all over the world, the governments of all the countries are trying hard to wipe out drug addiction from their community or their society, but still many more efforts and steps should be taken to completely destroy it. This can only be made possible if the people become increasingly aware of the threats that drug poses. And when this thing can be happen, that it can only be possible when the people have more knowledge about the dangers of drugs. They should vow firmly to live a healthy and meaningful life, and beside this, they should vow firmly. They should promise themselves strongly. Vow means to promise themselves firmly, strongly, that they will always live a healthy and meaningful life. Because we should always guide them and motivate them to live a healthy and useful life and a life free from drug addiction. Okay, thank you so much.